We're now moving on to the styling concentrator, which is designed more for styling as opposed to kind of a more natural drying effect. It's a harder, stronger, more focused blade of air, and it's hotter, which is necessary to set those curls or if you're turning the hair under.
So we've engineered it to actually give that precise blade of air by narrowing the aperture compared to the smoothing nozzle.
Using it, you'll find that you can concentrate on each section at a time without disrupting your whole hairstyle. What's currently really nice and what's fashionable is to have this front out of your face, but without too much movement, so it's not too contrived. I'm going to use the airflow to wrap the hair around the brush. You see? And as I'm going to pull it out, so I get rid of all the knots and anything that's in there, get it all nice and smooth, and then I roll it. And as I'm rolling it, I'm drying the hair, and I'm almost on the hair with the hairdryer. I'm almost touching it. And the great thing about the styling concentrator is even if I'm on your hair, which a lot of us are very guilty of touching the hair, I'm not worried that I'm going to burn your hair.
So we actually have a thermistor that measures the temperature of the airflow just at the exit, and that reports back to a microchip that controls the heater, and it brings that temperature back down so we don't go too hot.
The cold button will help to set that curl in, and then I'll move it into the side. I then take another section behind it, use the airflow to wrap the hair, and then slowly wind up. Now people often are taking the brush out, putting the brush in, taking it out, putting it. You don't need to do that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the smoothing nozzle back on so that I don't disrupt the whole hair, and just blow that in to the rest of the hair. Just so it blends. Using my hands. You can use a brush if you want to, you can pick up a brush, brush it through, and you should have something quite natural that just falls out of your face. Okay, just something like that.